Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if this is your first time to be here, I want to ask you to consider subscribing. And if you do, hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video. And if you are one of my returning subscriber friends, I want to say howdy and a special welcome to you. I really appreciate you each and every time that you have an opportunity to stop by and see what I have to open up. Today I have Genglow. This is the Genglow Mailer. There is a Genglow Box and then we have the Genglow Mailer. It's $24.99. Very affordable and you usually get 4 items. So either one is very nice. If you get the box, you're going to get like 6 to 8 items. In the Genglow bag, we're going to get 4. And the value is usually around $70. And it can be more, and here lately it has been. I will leave a link down in the description and you can check it out and see if it's something for you. If I have any discount codes, I'll be sure to pass that along to you. The Genglow box is $45.79, and right now they have an email sign up. If you give them your email, they'll give you a 15% off because you deserve it. And they feature non-toxic and cruelty-free self-care products. So that's what you can expect from the Genglow self-care box and or the Genglow self-care mailer. And like I said, I have the mailer and we are going to find out what is in store for the December mailer. I can't wait. So far, I have been really impressed with this bag too. And for $24.99, I feel like I get my money's worth. We're going to open this right up. And right on top, I am seeing that we have a candle. It's birthday cake. It's Sandra Sue Creations birthday cake candle. Isn't that lovely? Let's take a sniff. Ooh, it it smells just like birthday cake, so which means it would taste just like it too. Oh, that smells so good. I could just smell that all day. I love birthday cake. Do you like birthday cake? Let's see what else we have in this bag. Sometimes we have us a product card, so I want to see if we have one, and if we don't, then we'll just keep moving along. I do have it emptied out right now. And I do have a product card, and here it is. It's the Genglow Box Shine Bright. What's inside the bubble mailer? Well, I just showed you the candle, and this is a soy candle. It's 4 ounces, and I just told you that it was birthday cake by Sandra Sue's Creation, and it has a value of $15. And this is a freshly scented candle, will brighten any room and freshen it up for sure. Hand poured and made with 100% soy, made in the USA. And like I said, it smells so good I have to smell it again. Okay guys, the next item I'm seeing on here is called a Clean Whip Cleanser by Honey Jarrett, and it's a $21 value. And guys, I'm just finishing up a whipped cleanser, and I'll have to say, now it's a different brand, but I really liked these whipped cleansers. I also like the balm cleansers, and I like the oil cleansers. So, hey, I guess I must like cleansing my face. This is sealed, so we're going to leave it that way. Oh, I can smell through there. It smells good. And this is by Honey Jarrett. And it is Clean Whip Cleanser. It doesn't say the scent, I don't think, unless it tells us here. Inspired by nature, our Clean Whip Cleanser helps remove all traces of dirt, makeup, pollution, and oil from the skin. The hard-working formula contains creamy bubbles that will work deep into your pores and get the gunk out and nourish your skin. Well, that sounds wonderful. And again, that's a $21 value. So that is a win. I like that. So I've got a candle, I've got some cleanser, and our next item is a Charlotte Pastel Card Holder by Bewalt, and it's a $16 value. And that is right here, and that's the name that I couldn't say, Bewaltz, like bewitched, but Bewaltz. All right. And this is a card holder. Oh, look at that. That's cool. And it's in pink. It's a light pink, but it's still pink, my favorite color. And I love that. It's kind of snazzy looking. And this will make a nice little gift too. But I like that. You can just put all your credit cards in there and your debit card. And I guess if you wanted to, on top, you might put a little cash. Yeah, that's kind of handy. It says, shine bright with this soft, delicate, and chic pastel wallet. So it is considered a wallet. So yeah, you could put some money in there. Get your ID in there and a couple of credit cards and you're set to go. That's very chic. I really like that. That's very cute. Our next item is a vegan collagen eye mask by Vitamask, and it has a $5.99 value. It's a brighten and firm mask. It's made with, it says vegan collagen and multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Ooh, that sounds good. It says brighten and firm under eye with these vegan collagen infused eye pads. This is the bag, so if you get the box, you're even going to get more. But I just got the bag, and that was a $5.99 value. And then the next item we have in here is not on my card, so it must be a bonus. I think she just throws in bonuses. Now, how nice is that? And this time it's some earrings. Look at that. I think they're going to match what I have on. That's amazing. I didn't plan it, because I didn't even know what was in this box or in this bag. Look at that. It's got the black down at the bottom. It's got a little gold on there. I like that. It's got the wood. Let's just try these on right now. What do you think? It's looking good with my plaid on there, isn't it? Oh yeah, look at that. Really stands out with the black and white. Now I can't see the wood pieces too much, but that's because my hair just kind of blends in probably. But this is really cool. Now I've got me some nice earrings to wear with this plaid scarf that I like, and I got this out of my vinyl box, the scarf, and I really like it. But look at those earrings. Let's get my hair out of the way. What do you think? Yeah, I think it matches up with this pretty good actually. So hey, those are my earrings, and it was a bonus because it's not on the card. On the card it shows 4 items, and I'll show it to you, and it gives us the price. And with the earrings, which I have no idea how much they are valued, but I would say at least $10 or $15, if not more. And I really like them, and they go really well with my little plaid scarf that I have on. So guys, that was my Genglow box. What do you think? I think I have another hit on my hand. Like I said, I really love this. This is my 3rd packet, and I just haven't been disappointed with any of them that I've gotten. So as a recap, we got these beautiful, cool looking earrings. We got the Honey Jared Clean Whip Cleanser. We got this birthday cake candle by Sandra Sue, and it smells so good. And we got our vegan eye patch from Vitamask. I got this fashionable little wallet that I can carry money and credit cards and my ID. And it's very bewaltz. Yes, it is. All right, guys, that's my Genglow bag. What's your favorite item? Okay. I like it all. I love the earrings because they match what I have on. It just was ironic. And I love this candle. It smells so good. And I know I'm going to like this too. And of course, I'm going to like this, and I'm going to like this. So hey, that's like 5 out of 5. And it only had 4 on there. And my total value without the earrings is like $58. So if you add in maybe $10 or $15, then I have like a maybe a $70 value, just like they say that you're supposed to get. I'm not sure, but I'm real pleased with my Genglow bag. I think I got my money's worth. Do you think I got my money's worth? Well, let me know. So, guys, be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are going on or that will be happening. I will have my series of my 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas, and there will be 5 videos and a giveaway with each one, so be sure and be on the lookout for that. But as for today and the Genglow bag, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.